Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine if a file or program is 64 or 32-bit. We're all familiar with determining if our operating system is 32 or 64-bit, but I'm going to show you guys how to do that for the programs and processes that might be running on your computer. So definitely a little bit different, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to start by right-clicking on a blank area on your taskbar and then select Task Manager. So now you want to select the Details tab, and now right-click all along where the Name, PID, Status tabs are right here. Right-click on one of them. Select the Select Columns option. And then you want to go and select Platform. And check mark that and select OK. So there you go, guys. In the platform column, you can see if a process or program is either 32 or 64-bit. I'm on a 32-bit system, so they all should say 32-bit, but if you're on a 64-bit operating system, the same will probably not be true. So pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.